What is D'Alembert's principle? To understand D'Alembert's principle, let us consider an object of mass m, subjected to the forces F1, F2, F3, and F4. Let F be the resultant of all these forces. Because of F, this object accelerates with an acceleration a. As this object is in motion, so we know that it is a dynamic system. And analyzing such dynamic system is bit complicated. So to make the task easier, scientist D'Alembert came up with the principle known as D'Alembert's principle. According to this principle, we can convert this dynamic system into an equivalent static system by adding inertia force in the direction opposite to the motion of the object, which acts through its center of mass. Thus, D'Alembert's principle states that an accelerating body can be transformed into an equivalent static system by adding inertia force in the direction opposite to the motion, which acts through its center of mass. Mathematically, we can say that under the static equilibrium condition, resultant force minus inertia force is equal to 0, or F minus ma is equal to 0. Related term is the Newton's law of motion. Question. Remember keywords. Related term is remember diagram. Remember definition.